Hey, let me show you the camera quality with the 64 megapixel mode on the POCO X6. So in this mode we can actually get the highest quality on our photos, and to turn on this mode we'll have to go into the more and select 64 megapixel. Now we'll have to hold our phone steady, catch focus, and just click on the shutter. Let's do this one more time. I just click on the home button. There we go. And now let's see how it looks. Now we can zoom in, and as you can see, now we've got the HD preview, and we can actually find a lot of details, especially just right here. We can actually find the painting on this aluminum part of this adapter and some scratches on it. So yeah, in this phone we can actually get a lot of details thanks to the 64 megapixel lens. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.